Quizlet's engaging activities and games provide your students with several effective ways to study and support different learning styles. They can be used individually or collaboratively, at home or in the classroom. When students go to a set, they'll see 7 study mode buttons. Each of these is a different way to practice the material in the set. Learn creates an adaptive study plan that will guide students from basic review to mastery. They'll see a mix of question types that get harder as they continue to practice, with encouraging progress checkpoints along the way. They can also choose to receive study reminders. It's a powerful combination of machine learning and spaced repetition that can help students master nearly any subject. Flashcards are great for basic review. With options for zooming in on images, shuffling the order in which terms are presented, starring cards to focus on, and listening to audio.
Apogee.
Write prompts students with the term, and they must type in the corresponding definition. If they get it wrong, they'll be prompted with the term again. With Spell, students will listen to the term being read aloud,
Apogee.
see the definition, and have to type in what they hear. If a word is spelled incorrectly, students will hear and see the correct spelling.
Apogee. A-P-O-G-E-E. Apogee.
Test is a great way for students to quiz themselves on what they've learned. They can choose question types to simulate what they'll see on test day and receive a score instantly. Each time they use test mode, a new version will be randomly generated. Quizlet also has 2 games with high-score leaderboards that get students invested in ongoing competition. Match has students match terms to definitions for the fastest time. Gravity is a space-themed game where terms fall from the sky at increasing speeds as asteroids. Students have to type in the definitions before they land. When signed into Quizlet, teachers will see something students won't see, the Live button. Quizlet Live is an exciting in-class game that divides 4 or more students into teams. On a given team, each student will see the same question prompt on their own device, but they'll have different answer options on their device. To figure out who has the right answer for each question, they must work together, and fast. Of course, students can also study using Quizlet's free mobile apps for iOS and Android. The mobile apps include Learn, Flashcards, Write, Test, and Match options. Everything syncs with the Quizlet website so students can study anywhere, making Quizlet a great companion for both self-directed and group learning. Plus, it can be a whole lot of fun.